Hey, what is up everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the low power issue of the Ooni Karu gas burner. If you have watched any of my other videos, you might know that I was never really 100% satisfied with the performance of the gas burner unit. It just doesn't reach the desired temperatures, thus making it impossible to cook a real Neapolitan pizza. If you are from Austria or Germany too, you will most likely know what issue I'm talking about. Unfortunately, we have to use the 50mbar version of this gas burner, which just doesn't work properly. So you might ask yourself, couldn't I just change the regulator to a 30mbar regulator and everything would be good? Unfortunately, no, this doesn't work. Changing the gas regulator doesn't change anything about the gas burner's performance. I've tried using an adjustable regulator that can go anywhere between 30 and 50 millibars, but unfortunately, this just made it worse. So what actually is the issue with the gas burner? So Ooni actually screwed up. They didn't adjust the air intake vents of this unit properly. This is why by standard you have a blue burning flame instead of the yellow flame you can see in all the adverts of the Ooni products. I know the blue flame is technically hotter, but the blue flame also burns very directional. It basically transfers all the heat on top of the unit and outside. The yellow flame produces a more radiating heat. This leads to the stone heating up a lot quicker, but also to a more even heat distribution in the oven. After doing a ton of research and getting some helpful comments from you guys, I finally learned how to fix the issue. So just a quick disclaimer, please always be careful when using gas and do this modification at your own risk. Ooni of course doesn't advise you to do this, but still I wanted to share this. But now, let me show you how to fix this issue. To fix this, we need to reduce the air intake with the help of 4 hose clamps made of stainless steel, with a length of 16 to 27 millimeters and a width of 9 millimeters. I will link some that fit perfectly in the video description for you guys. You need to fiddle the clamps around the burners and then tighten them just like shown here in the video. Try to space them evenly, just like this, so only a small air intake remains. Be careful not to tuck in or damage the wire on this one side, as this is for the ignition of the burner. I know this is very fiddly and annoying to do, but guys, don't give up, it's worth it. Now that this is done, your burner should look something like this. So now that this is done, let's see the results of this modification. Here you can see a comparison between the flame before and after modifying the burner. Okay guys, so it's been 20 minutes since we fired up this oven. Now let's check the temperature and see where this oven is at. So in the stone center we've reached a temperature of about 390 degrees Celsius. So let's wait another 5 to 10 minutes and see how far this oven will go. Okay guys, so it's been 30 minutes since we fired up this gas burner. Let's check the temperature again. Well, I'm impressed. 30 minutes have gone by and the temperature is at 425 degrees Celsius. 425 in the stone center and about 440 or even higher all the way in the back. So this is a huge improvement if you compare it to the non-modified version. So now that this oven is up to temperature, let's cook a pizza in it and see what the results will be like. Okay, so the pizza is ready now. Let's take a look at this beautiful result. I really think this pizza looks absolutely outstanding, guys. Take a look at this. This is our pizza. Absolutely outstanding. And look at the bottom. When I compare this to my other gas burner experience, it was like pale white, but now it really got some color there, especially on this side. Really, really nice. Guys, just look at this airy crust. Super beautiful and so soft. But now enough talking, let's do a quick taste test. Honestly, guys, taste-wise, it's really amazing. The crust has a really nice char, but it's so smooth and soft and just beautiful. So modifying this gas burner really changed two things. Number one, the cooking time. It just took me about, I think it was 80 seconds to cook this pizza, so that's a pretty impressive and really nice result. And the second point, the bottom finally got some nice char. With the old burner, it just felt like the bottom was always undercooked, and this is just eliminated now. So guys, it's absolutely incredible and I'm really happy with this result. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. And if you did, don't forget to leave a like and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye bye.